Okay, hello guys, welcome. In this video, I would like to share my GATE 2018 experience. So, in 7th semester, I joined in ACE Engineering Academy. So, please note that I am not here promoting ACE Engineering Academy. I am just sharing you my experience. I have joined in weekend batch actually. So, this was the first time I was actually solving some problems which were not exactly from the textbook. Okay, when you solve a problem which is new to you, if you solve it by your own, you will get extreme amount of happiness. Okay, this is very true, and this is the main reason for motivation to pursue these competitive exams, JEE or whatever exam, GATE or whatever exam. See, some when engineering problems are thrown at you and you solve it by your own, you will get happiness. Definitely, you will get happiness if you solve it by your own. Okay, so this is the first reason for motivation during my GATE 18 preparation. Okay, I like to solve problems. Then at that time only I found out that. So the mistakes I made during my GATE 18 preparation is I did not go through the complete notes with full clarity. That is, I just used to read through the notes. I didn't used to practice the problems given in class. Okay, that was a huge mistake actually. And then I would just only see the formulas. I would skip most of the derivations. That is very wrong. Okay. What the problem is, if you try to read through the formulas, you won't be able to recollect it in the exam because you don't know how the formulas have come. Okay, even if you mug up thoroughly the formulas, there will be some limitations to every formula. Okay, GATE exam will only test those limitations. Okay, so if you don't know the meaning and logic behind each formula, each and every term in the formula, see, you cannot solve it. So I would suggest all the aspirants to never by heart blindly any formula. Okay, the formula should go into your memory by going through the formula, understanding the formula, the logic many times. Okay, do you get what I'm saying? So whatever, see, for example, in EDC there will be lots of formulas. Okay, but if you spend some 2 to 3 hours for MOSFET device or basics of semiconductors, if you go through the theory fully and understand every part of it, you will be able to recollect all the concepts. Okay, some variations with temperature, uh, intrinsic concentrations, whatever. Okay, mobilities with temperature, whatever. You can be able to recall the formulas. Okay, so don't worry about by hurting the formulas. Okay, always aim to remember the logic behind each and every formula. Okay, so another mistake I made is I thought that if I get around 45 to 50 marks, then I would get some NIT Trichy or NIT Warangal, Surathkal, VLSI or communication. So I thought that let me aim for that. And also during January I started attempting mock tests around January 15 or something during 2018. Then in some of the tests I got very low marks, 20 or 25 or something. But in some of the tests further on I started to get around 30 to 40 marks. Even in the last test I got 50 marks. So I was very happy and I thought that okay, maybe I can get these kind of marks in GATE 18 also. But I was very wrong. Why? Because I did not analyze my question papers properly. I was just satisfied with my half-hearted performance. Okay. Don't ever be satisfied with the marks you are getting in test series. Please analyze the test series very thoroughly in order to get 100 marks. I repeat, please analyze the test series very thoroughly in order to get full marks. Why? Because you cannot predict what is going to be asked in the GATE exam, and the test series questions and syllabus might not be matching with the GATE exam also. Okay, see, okay, I got some marks in test series around 40 to 50 range at the end, but I ended up getting only 29.33 in the actual GATE exam. There was a lot of reasons actually for that, and some of the reasons are I left EMT. Okay, only statics, some part I learned, and waves, classification of medium and skin depth part I learned, but I totally skipped the transmission lines, waveguides, antenna theory. Okay, it was a huge mistake. And communication also, analog communication I learned. Analog communication everyone will learn. and digital communication was difficult, the probability of error concepts. Okay, so I skipped that also. See, if you skip some topics, you are leaving marks which you can score. I repeat, you are leaving marks which you can score, you can get. Okay, I will tell you this in my GATE 19 performance, what happened in my GATE 19 test. Okay, then you will come to know about it. Okay, so please be patient with me if you are interested in hearing all these videos. So what is most important after writing a test is analysis of your tests. Okay, so please analyze each and every test with your heart fully and write down the mistakes in a separate notebook. This strategy was given to me by one of my faculty. Okay, he told to maintain a separate book for only my mistakes. See, if you convert your mistakes to marks, he gave a very simple logic. If you convert 10 wrong questions to marks, you will get around more than 20 marks if it is a 2 mark, because for negative question the 2 marks is also reduced, 0.67 is also reduced, so you'll get many more marks. Okay, so always focus on converting the mistakes to marks. Okay, these are my mistakes I committed in GATE 18 and I've shared them with you. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.